Hello children, welcome to the module 2 of our tenses. Verbs expressing the past, that is past tense. Let's go on to the next slide. Past tense again having 4 forms: simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Things are very easy now. You must be feeling something very easy, but yes, we have to always remember these things, right? Simple past tense. Here we are using the past tense of the verb. Suppose the verb is play. What is the past tense of the verb? Say loudly at your houses, all of you. Played, right? Suppose the word is sit. What will be the past tense? Sat. The word is like. Past tense will be liked. The word is, let us say, cook. The past tense will be cooked, right? So all past tense of the verb, whichever verb you are using, correct? Now here it is a little different from the present form. Here whatever the noun is, whether it is in the singular form, whether it is plural, whether I, whether you, whatever it is, the past tense of the verb will remain the same. There will be no change. For as you are seeing on the screen, he or she, he played, she played, I played, you played, they played, we played. And if there are names, Reena played, Ravi played, Rahul played, Rita played, right? Any of the names, you can take your name, any name, they played, right? So whether it is singular or plural, if it the sentence or if we are using the simple past tense, we are using only the past tense of the verb. I hope it must be clear. Please note down. Once again, I want to remind you, please note down everything in your copy or pages, whichever you have made. If you have made pages, then please staple all the pages together so that they remain as one. I hope you must be having a stapler. In case you do not have a stapler, not to worry, you can just pin it up. In case you don't have a oil pin or some sauce pin, then you can make a hole and you can tie a thread on your pages. Do not trouble your parents for any of such things. Arrange something which is at home. Definitely, once again, I want to remind you, stay home, stay safe. Do not go out, stay at home. Do not eat any food which is available in the market. If possible, do not eat at all. Eat at home only so that you are safe. And just pray to God that we should meet very quickly, very soon, once again in our school. Okay, continuing, just going out from my topic. Let's come back to our topic. We have to continue with our past tense. Past continuous tense. Now this is again, as we had done present continuous. This is past continuous. That means something which is in the past tense but which was going on, which was continuing. Like maybe yesterday you were doing your English exercise, right? Maybe you were doing it yesterday, so it is in the past tense. Something happened earlier and you were going on doing it. So it becomes the past continuous tense. So the formula for past continuous will be was or were plus ing form of the verb. I was doing my work. We were playing in the park. Yes, my mother was cooking in the kitchen, or my mother was cooking food for the family, or I was helping my mother at home. Please do help your parents, your mama in the kitchen. You do not have lots of work to do nowadays. You are free many times. So please, a little valuable thing to tell you, please help your mama or your papa in the household works also. Do not just complain that, oh, I have to do school work, so I am not helping. Keep helping them, study also and enjoy also, and take rest and be safe. Okay, now our next tense is past perfect tense. Again, something, some word, it is used when it is already, when it had already been done. You know, has or have we use in the present form, and the perfect form of past tense is had. 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 Here again, whether it is singular or plural noun, we are using had in our perfect tense. Our formula is had plus the past participle form of the verb. You know what is past participle form? That is the, as you all know in your language, third form of the verb. Correct? Like do becomes done, forget becomes forgotten, cook becomes cooked, go becomes gone, right? So I, like suppose I say I had gone to the market, or we all had watched the movie yesterday, okay? Or Ravi had taken classes from his teacher yesterday. Fine. So something in the past which had already been done. Now it is not being done right now. So here we are using past perfect tense. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Here it is past perfect continuous tense. This is used when the work which had already been started and was going on in the past. Had plus been plus the ing form of the verb. Example, here we have had been plus the ing form. Suppose I say he had been sleeping for 2 hours when I reached his house. Again, as we had studied in the present tense here, there in the last module, since and for, we are using since and for here also again. So we suppose I say another sentence, let us say the worried parents had been consulting specialists for at least 2 months for their sick child, right? Or you can say bad weather had been disrupting many important flights. Like nowadays the flights are all cancelled because of the coronavirus and all such things. So here again we can say due to the coronavirus many flights had been troubling or had been creating a trouble in the let us say in the society or in the public, right? Or you can say another, I have one more example. The chief minister had been looking into the charges since December. Okay, so we can use such sentences for past perfect continuous tense. I hope everything must be clear. Fine. Okay, now just remember to note down all the important points from the slides in your English copy again, or your pages, whichever you have made, which you already have. And remember always, whenever you are watching your slides, you can have those things in front of you. These slides, this channel, on this YouTube channel, you can repeat again, so you can pause, you can see it again, but please note down. Don't feel lazy to just watch it and have fun. Yes, you can have fun, but please note down in your copies positively. Fine. So that's the end of tenses past tense module 2. Thank you.